Hey guys, it's Brent from Motorsports. Today we have EddieX's RS7 in today. We're doing front and rear pads and front rotors on the car. Obviously to do that, you're gonna have to pull off the wheels, pull off the calipers, caliper brackets, and then switch out the rotors, put the pads in, and that's really it. We're gonna show you the procedure and everything, so come along for the video. So on the front calipers, to remove the pads, you're gonna wanna take out the two pins that are on the top and bottom. Once you get those out, you gotta take off the middle bolt, and this whole part will come out, and then you can take the pads out. It's that simple on a Brembo caliper. So that'll be it for the brake installation on the RS7. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.